5 home remedies for depression. Depression is a common emotional disorder affecting more than 19 million Americans each year. It's a mood state that goes far beyond temporarily feeling sad or low. It tends to affect one's thoughts, feelings, behavior, mood, and physical health. Common symptoms that a depressed person experiences are feelings of sadness, feelings of dejection, deep sense of loss, low energy, disinterest in everything, mental trauma, loss of appetite, and disturbed sleep. These symptoms can affect day-to-day life and can become very distressing. Other contributing factors include anxiety, tension, mental stress, drug addiction, as well as deficiency of vitamin B complex and omega-3 fatty acids. Also, women are 70% more likely to have depression than men. First, St. John's wort. St. John's wort is a popular herbal treatment for mild to moderate depression. It has a chemical constituents like hypericin and hyperforin that works like an antidepressant, blocking reuptake of serotonin or serotonin receptors. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of dried St. John's wort to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink this tea twice daily. Follow this routine regularly to lift your mood. Alternatively, you can take 300 milligrams of St. John's wort supplements 3 times a day. Consult a doctor before beginning regular use of St. John's wort. Second, cardamom. Cardamom can help detoxify the body and rejuvenate the cells, in turn helping improve your mood and treat depression. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder to 1 cup of warm water or milk. Drink it once daily. You can also add a few drops of cardamom oil to your bath water. Soak yourself in this uplifting aroma-filled bath for 30 minutes daily. Third, nutmeg. Nutmeg works like a brain tonic and helps stimulate your brain, eliminates fatigue and stress, and improve your mood. Mix 1/8 teaspoon or a dash of nutmeg powder in 1 tablespoon of Indian gooseberry juice. Drink this 2 times daily to calm the mind and relieve depression. Do not take raw nutmeg in large doses as it has psychopathic effects. Fourth, saffron. Saffron is high in carotenoids and vitamin B that helps increase the level of serotonin and other chemicals in the brain. In fact, a study published in Journal of Ethnopharmacology has found saffron to be as effective as fluoxetine. Prozac. Take 15 mg of dried extract of saffron twice daily to fight depression. You can also use a little bit of saffron in cooking, milkshakes, or smoothies. Fifth, cashews. Being rich in vitamin C, cashew nuts stimulate the nervous system. Also, riboflavin in cashews boosts energy, so you can be active and joyful. Other useful nutrients in cashews that help combat depressions are magnesium, tryptophan, and vitamin B6. Add 1 teaspoon of cashew nuts powder to 1 cup of warm milk. Drink it once daily. You can also eat a handful of dry roasted cashews as your healthy snack to lift your mood.